Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do a voiceover over this video today. I am doing my signature silk press. It is very popular. I get a lot of requests for it. So I wanted to give you guys just a little tutorial of what I do because it is a method to the madness. So let's stay tuned. So currently at this point I'm on the third row, but as you can see I do two passes on the base and just one straight down. You want to make sure you're moving slow so the heat can get to the hair and put a little pressure on the flat iron. Okay, so my parts are small and I do divide the section of the hair because you do not want to put too much hair in between the plates because you will have to go over the hair again, and too many times can provide heat damage. So if it is a big section, make sure you part it again to make it smaller and divide the sections and take them one by one like you see me do in the video. Okay, so what I didn't get to record is to show you guys how I straighten the hair with the blow dryer. I do make sure the hair is 100% dry, and I use the blow dryer to stretch the hair as much as possible. This is so important. It's how you get the natural shine and that easy silk press look, and all you have to do is apply the flat irons one time to the full hair strand. Now, if you want me to record a video of me doing that, please leave comments down below. I will be happy to do that for you guys. But the blowout is the most important part. So as you can see me, once again, I am making sure the parts are the proper size before I place it in the flat iron. And I always make sure I divide the sections because you don't want the sections too wide because it will create a more wavy look to your silk press. But also you don't want it too small because it will be too much heat to one particular part of your hair. You always want to make sure you give the option for the customer to be able to allow their hair to revert back to its natural form, to its natural curl pattern. You don't want to take that away from them. I do know some ladies that comes to me every 2 weeks and they particularly don't care about having their hair in their natural state. They're more of a press out natural and they like their hair pressed out all the time. But of course, they do not want to put any chemicals in it to give them that look. Now, the more you do a silk press, it will put you in the position of where your hair will automatically be straight, and some do it because they feel like it's easier to manage, and some do it because they simply like that style. But overall, the silk press, my silk press, always, always, 100% always grow my customers' hair. And as you guys can see, every single time I do the chase method, I always have the comb in front of the flat iron because you need the comb to go through any little tangles or any knots. You want that to be completely taken out before you apply the flat iron because you don't want the flat iron to stop in the middle of you pressing out your hair because 100% that will cause damage. But as you guys can see, I always use my wooden combs on my natural beauties. And the reason why is because with the wooden comb, it's perfect for natural hair because it's easy to detangle your hair with. It also keeps your oils and shine in your hair, and it helps with less tearing of the hair. So that's exactly why I always use the wooden comb. No matter whenever I'm doing natural hair, it's important for me to use tools that cater to our hair other than not. Okay, so I believe that is all the tips I need to give when it comes to the press out part with your silk press. Now, I can do a video on how you shampoo your hair and prepare your hair for your silk press. If you guys want me to also do a video on that, then put that down in the comments. Shampoo, please. And I will definitely do a video on that for you guys. But I guess that's it. So I'm going to be quiet and let you guys enjoy the video.